today we have seen different techniques for image enhancement. Now today we will discuss what image restoration is. When we acquired image, it may be degraded due to various reasons like sensor noise, sometime due to operations performed, then maybe blur due to camera misfocus, then maybe because of relative object camera motions, and also due to random atmospheric turbulence. In image restoration, we are going to try to restore the image. We are going to have a model for the degradation. That is what is shown here. Basically, we start with an image. The image goes through some degradation which is represented by this filter H. What is degradation? For example, blurring, defocusing, okay, is a degradation. When we take a picture and if it is out of focus, that is basically a degradation. Another example is what is called motion blur. When we take pictures of something that goes extremely fast like car moving on a road, we see that there is a blur in the picture, and that is basically another type of degradation. After the image has gone through degradation, there is noise added to it. For example, the sensor in the camera have noise. The sensors in magnetic resonance have noise. So there is noise added to it, and that is what is shown here, G of xy. Okay, where G is the degraded image and N of xy is the noise. Okay, so now from G of xy, we need to go back to the original image f of xy as close as possible. That is why it is called image restoration. We are trying to restore the image by inverting this degradation function and noise to produce an image which is as close as possible as the original image. A goal of restoration is to get the original image back. Till today we discuss about image enhancement, in that we want to improve the quality of the image. But in restoration there is a different goal. They are related but not the same. Here f of xy is the original image and h of xy is a degradation function. So we will get g of xy, which is a degraded image, and it is given by f of xy convolution with h of xy. This is a degradation model, and normally it is assumed that it is a linear operation. In this we are adding noise n of xy, so g of xy will be f of xy convolution with h of xy plus noise n of xy. Most of the image and video processing literature leads with what is called additive noise. The noise is added to the image. The most common of noise is additive noise. That is not what happens in all real cameras, in all real acquisition systems. For example, there is also a multiplicative noise. One of the effects of multiplicative noise is that the amount of noise depends on the signal itself. So if the pixel value is 4, we are multiplying 4, but if the pixel value is 10, then we are multiplying by 10. And then the amount of noise might be much larger. And with additive noise, that doesn't happen. So it is basically kind of image dependent denoise. Now there is a way to transform multiplicative noise into additive noise so we can enjoy all of the literature in additive noise. And the idea is quite simple. So if you are multiplying two numbers a times b, okay, we can take the logarithm of the product of those two numbers, and that's equal to the logarithm of a plus log of b. So instead of working with the image, I'm going to work with the logarithmic version of the image, and I'm going to work with the logarithmic component of the noise. So basically, you give me the degradation G, I take the log of G, and I treat everything as it was additive noise. When I finish recovering it, I have to invert this operation, and that's an exponential function. So that's one of the reasons that a lot of literature has basically concentrated on additive noise because of this trick. Now this trick has its own problems, in particular because if you don't really remove all the noise, the exponent can make it much larger. But it's an important trick that basically makes our additive noise restoration technique also applicable to multiplicative noise with some limitations. So in this lecture, we have seen what image restoration is. In next lecture, we will discuss about noise, types of noise, and what is noise model, okay, and where do they come from.